Welcome to ARTIV Phase Two, a creative empowerment initiative organized by the Digital Communications Avenue of the Rotaract Club of University of Colombo Faculty of Management and Finance. This phase focuses on practical digital skills, and we're starting with one of the most important tools in modern storytelling, video editing. Even if you're new to Capcut, these short lessons will guide you from the basics to more advanced techniques. Let's begin your editing journey. Let's begin with creating a project. On the Capcut home screen, tap on the blue box at the top to start a new project. This is the interface you'll see as soon as you create a new project. Now, let's take a moment to explore the interface. First, we have the media library. This is where all your imported videos, photos, and audio files are stored for easy access. You can find the media library on the top left, along with options for effects, text, and transitions. Next, we have the preview window. This lets you watch your changes in real time as you edit. You can also use it to preview any imported file before adding it to the timeline. Then, we have the toolbox. This is where you'll find all your essential editing tools, like trimming, splitting, and cropping. We'll explore each of these in detail in the upcoming videos. Next, we have the timeline. This is where you organize and edit your video clips. You can arrange your videos, audio, and effects here to build your final edit. When you click on any layer in the timeline, you'll notice a panel appearing on the top right. This panel shows all the settings and controls related to the selected layer. For video clips, you'll see options like position, scale, rotation, opacity, and basic adjustments. For text layers, you'll get controls for font, size, color, and alignment. This area basically changes depending on what you select, and it gives you quick access to all the important settings for that specific layer. Now let's look at a few important Capcut shortcuts. Learning these will help you edit much faster and keep your workflow smooth. First, the spacebar is your main control for playing and pausing your video. You'll use this constantly while editing. Next, Control B is your primary cutting shortcut. Whenever you need to split a clip, just press Control B instead of searching for the split button. Control Z will undo your last action, and Control Shift Z will redo it. When you want to remove something from the timeline, select the clip and press backspace to delete it instantly. These are just a few useful shortcuts. If you want to see the full shortcut list, simply click the Shortcuts button at the top of the Capcut interface. That will show you every shortcut available whenever you need it. That brings us to the end of Episode 1. Take some time to explore the interface and get familiar with where everything is. The more comfortable you are with the layout, the easier editing will be. Try clicking around, test a few tools, and play with the timeline so you get used to it before the next lesson. See you in the next video.